Yeah. When the broken pieces, the piece already broken, it's okay. It's perfect fit to kintsugi. When you want to do kintsugi, to try to break it, it's not good. So yeah,
So we was lucky.
yeah, I think so.
The reparation is the will, but there was few person that had the idea to make this big tour. So they had the imagination. The metaphor is that in this case, will do a gift to imagination.
Yeah. Ah.
So we repair with the wheel because we come here, we do all this job, and we put this on the boat. The boat represents the wheel because the boat go around the world to promote Italy. Here, this the minister that has the idea to make this. This is the. What do you think? Isn't?
Perfect. Awesome. Yeah, I love that. So I didn't know the your
The why, the reason why.
yeah
Mm.
yeah. So that's why I just surprised.
I will send you the video of the captain.
Yes.
There is subtitle in English. Yeah.
Ah.
And you will see also the moment when we give the first. It was the original, the not broken, when we give on the boat.